What's up, Dupe City fam? Welcome back to the Unmagical series by Dupe City Co. In today's video, I'm recreating Magic Candle Company's Pumpkin King Foaming Hand Soap using the same exact fragrance they use, and that's called Pleasingly Pumpkin from Nature's Garden. You can get just 1 ounce of this fragrance from naturesgardencandles.com for $2.85. And all the information that you need to recreate this product yourself is listed in the description box below. Once again, I need to remind you that I'm in no way affiliated with Magic Candle Company, nor do I make any profit off any of the products that I recreate. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to be notified every time I release new Dupe City Co. Disney DIY content, which is every few days. And I also have my new series, It's a Smell World, coming out very soon. Let's get started. Alright, so to begin, we're going to gather our supplies. Not many supplies are needed for this. We do have our soap bottles. They're 8 ounces. I got those from wholesalesupplysplus.com. That's linked below. Of course, we need our premium foamer bottle base. This is just 16 ounces. Once again, Wholesale Supplies Plus. Now, because I'm only making 2 8-ounce bottles of soap, I only need 16 ounces, but if you're going to make more, then of course they do sell more as well. And what's great about Wholesale Supplies Plus is $25, you get free shipping. I buy from them so much. I just love it. All right, so we're going to pour the entire bottle of foaming soap base into this long spouted pitcher. And I just pour carefully, pour slowly, because I don't want it to foam up too much. I don't know if that would ruin it, but I don't want to take chances, so I do pour slowly. In this step, we are going to add the Polysorbate 20. Remember, this is the emulsifier. It's going to make sure that the water and the oil is mixed together well. My camera is a little bit out of focus, but this is the Polysorbate 20. It is from wholesalesupplysplus.com. And we are going to put in 0.6 of an ounce. Then we're going to stir just enough to incorporate it. Now we're going to add 5 drops of orange soap coloring. I wasn't too happy with how this orange turned out. Even though I used 5 drops, I think it could have taken some more or possibly some red just to brighten up that orange color. And now we're ready for the fragrance. We're using Pleasingly Pumpkin from naturesgardencandles.com. $2.85 for 1 ounce. And though I leave quite the review at the end of the video, I can tell you I am not a fan. Big surprise, right? Now we are going to be placing in 0.15 of an ounce. I know that you can't see that on my scale, so we just guesstimate it. It's okay, we're not putting in too much, so don't worry. The fragrance ended up being strong. Now, unlike candles and making and mixing fragrance with wax, there really isn't any predetermined amount of time you have to mix this. I just tried to mix until I felt that it was fully incorporated. And just like that, we are ready to pour into our 8-ounce bottles. So we're going to remove this from the scale. We're going to open up our bottles, place them on and tear them out, and then proceed to pour in 8 ounces in each bottle. It's really easy using this long spouted pitcher. Of course, I'm going to link that below. It's pretty inexpensive and it really does make it so much easier to pour. Here is our finished product, fam. 2 8-ounce Pumpkin King foaming hand soaps, same as the Magic Candle Company. The foam is pretty good. It doesn't drip, which is a really nice thing when it comes to foaming hand soaps. But unfortunately, that's the only good thing I have to say about it. For starters, this fragrance makes me want to cut my hair into a bob and speak with someone's manager. It's really not good. Now, I know I'm just smelling it in hand soap form and not candle form. But still, there's something really off with this. And I don't think it's the fragrance itself. I think it was just a bad choice all around. I'd even go as far as to say that out of 100 pumpkin fragrances that I've probably smelled as a maker, this one easily comes in last place. It smells like a failed arts and crafts day. And it kind of smells like really good intentions gone awry, or even kind of just like a thrift store holiday display. It's just that bad. So if you love this fragrance, you'll love it. There's nothing probably that will change your mind. However, there are a ton better. One of my favorites is actually also sold by Nature's Garden Candles, and that is pumpkin cheesecake. It's a little light on the cheesecake, but really heavy on the pumpkin deliciousness. So if you want a good pumpkin fragrance, choose pumpkin cheesecake by Nature's Garden and substitute pumpkin cheesecake into this recipe. And with that, I'm off to make my next Dupe City Co. Disney DIY video. If you liked this video, remember to give it a like and subscribe to be notified every time we release new content, which is every 3 days, and be on the lookout for the new series coming out, It's a Smell World, coming very soon. Thanks for watching.